In the second part of gray wash, we examine the gradation of gray tones. Many have asked why the gradation starts at 30%. Let's find out why. As a reference, we start with pure black, then move to the 30, 20, and 10% gray tones, and finally, distilled water. Between each tone, the 13 curved magnum needle is rinsed in distilled water and dabbed off with the machine not running. Then the next gray tone is applied with the same motion and intensity as much as possible to ensure the result is verifiable. As you can see, the gradations are very fine, and it is particularly noticeable that there is only a slight difference between pure black and the 30% gray tone. This explains why the gradation starts at 30%. 75% or 50% only result in a poor black, not a gray tone. When shading with distilled water, it is evident that even a rinsed needle still contains pigment. Please note that these results only apply to artificial skin. When tattooing, the final result is different. The healing process of the skin leads to about 30% of the tattooed pigments being broken down. To avoid the healed tattoo being too light and thus lacking contrast, it requires experience and constant comparison of fresh tattoos to healed ones. So be sure to photograph and document to reliably choose the right intensity.